own mess. This is my individual kit. It, it, it is made up of cardboards, foams, paste, glues, and scotch tape. And for my lesson one, I use the topic usefulness of animals. And then I show the pictures of animals, the models of animals that are useful to us. This is the hen, this is the cow, and this is the puppy that is useful. And then I show the pictures of the real foods that we get from the animals. We get milk from the cow, we get eggs from the hen and the duck, and then we get some wool from the clothing from the animal sheep. And then for their activity, I use, or they had to color the pictures of useful animals. Pig, they had to color the picture of a horse, and then the others had to build the words. For example, like P, P-I-G-P. And then the other children have to create animal scene using these farm animals. And then for lesson two, I had to use the topic animals and their young ones, where I use the pictures of animals with their offspring. These are the pictures of the animals. For example, the, the duck and the duckling. And then for their activity, children had to color their favorite animal. And then the other children had to match the animals with their babies. And then they had to fix the puzzle of an animal. This is the hen. And then for lesson three, we had to use the topic, I had to use the topic, insects are animals for lesson three, where I show them the models of an insect. And then for the children's activity or the learner's activity, they had to color the butterfly very creatively. And then some children had to paste the pictures of insects. And then some children had to model the insect with this Play-Doh or using the Play-Doh. Thank you. Thank you.